Ever found yourself waiting and waiting and waiting for a crypto transaction to confirm? It's like watching paint dry in the digital age, right? That brings us to the question many of you have been asking: is Beam Wallet real-time? Well, let's dive into the world of Beam and its approach to transaction speed. Now, when we talk about real-time, it's important to have a clear understanding of what that truly means in the context of blockchain technology. In the traditional sense, real-time implies instantaneous. The moment you initiate an action, the result is immediately apparent. Think sending a text message or making a phone call. However, blockchain transactions operate a little differently. They need to be processed, verified by the network, and then added to a block on the chain. This process inherently takes some time. The duration can vary significantly depending on the specific blockchain network, its congestion levels, and the transaction fees paid. Some blockchains might see confirmations within seconds, while others can take several minutes, or even hours during peak periods. So, where does Beam Wallet fit into this picture? Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. This innovative protocol offers several advantages, including enhanced privacy and scalability. When it comes to transaction speed, Mimblewimble enables more compact block sizes compared to some other blockchains, which can contribute to faster processing times. Beam's developers have also actively worked on optimizing transaction speeds. While it might not be accurate to label every single Beam transaction as instantaneous in the absolute sense of the word, the network generally boasts relatively quick confirmation times. You're often looking at confirmation times that are significantly faster than some of the older, more congested blockchains out there. However, it's crucial to understand that even with Beam's optimizations, network conditions can still play a role. During periods of high network activity, transaction confirmation times might experience a slight increase. Similarly, the number of confirmations required by the recipient or exchange can also influence the perceived real-time nature of the transaction. Most platforms require a certain number of block confirmations before considering a transaction final and credited to your account. Therefore, while Beam Wallet doesn't deliver truly instantaneous transactions in the way a traditional payment system might, it offers a very efficient and relatively fast transaction experience compared to many other cryptocurrencies. The focus on scalability through Mimblewimble directly contributes to this quicker processing. You're likely to see your Beam transactions confirmed in a reasonable time frame, allowing for smoother and more practical use in everyday scenarios. So, to circle back to our initial question, is Beam Wallet real-time? Not in the strict, absolute sense of zero delay. However, it provides a near real-time experience with its fast confirmation times, making it a strong contender for users who prioritize both privacy and speed in their cryptocurrency transactions. The underlying Mimblewimble protocol and ongoing network optimizations are key to delivering this efficient experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.